In this video, we're going to go through the purchase price problem of the Section 1.1 activity. I'm also going to show you how to use the Desmos calculator. So when you're doing these activities, I'm going to be doing them using my drawing tablet and also a little bit of typing in Microsoft Word. You can type your answers into Microsoft Word. If you have an iPad or something where you can write, you can do that as well. You could also print these and handwrite them and scan your handwritten activities if you want to do that as well. Whatever's easiest for you, as long as I can make sense of it. So in this problem, we have Alex purchasing a big screen TV, paying 7% state sales tax and $65 for delivery. And if the total cost is $1,668.93, what was the purchase price of the TV? So the first thing we need to remember is that when we have a percent sales tax, 7%, what we need to do is convert that to a decimal. So 7% is 7 over 100, which is 0.07. And so when we're thinking about this, what we're doing is we're taking our purchase price. I'm going to have a variable for that, which I'll use X. You could use P or whatever you like. We're taking our purchase price, we're adding the 7% state sales tax, we're adding $65 for delivery, and then that's going to give us our total cost. So our purchase price is X, our 7% sales tax is 0.07 times X, and our $65 added on top of that. We're assuming that we're not paying tax on the delivery cost. And when we add those three things together, we get our purchase or our total price here. So when we add X plus 0.07X, that gives us 1.07X. And now we have an equation here that we're going to solve. So to solve this equation, kind of remembering from simple algebra kinds of classes, what we need to do is subtract 65 first from both sides, and then we're going to divide. We go backwards through order of operations when we are solving. So 1.07x, I'm going to do this subtraction mentally here because I can do that pretty easily and get 1603.93. You can use a calculator if you like. And then last step here is to divide by 1.07 on both sides. Now, this is something I can't do in my head, so I'm going to pull up my calculator here. So, when you're in your web browser, I'm going to drag this over. I have it small so it fits on my screen, but you might have it bigger. What you're going to do is go to desmos.com, D-E-S-M-O-S. And then under the math tools, you should see at the top, if you click on that, it brings up quite a few different types of calculators. We're going to use a couple of these throughout the semester, but today we're going to use Scientific Calculator. So I pull that up, and this is what I get. They also have an app if you want to use this on your phone. I find that the web browser works really well because I can type numbers on my keyboard instead of having to click the keys, and so it goes a little bit faster. So the problem that I'm trying to do here is 1603.93 divided by 1.07. And I have my answer here on the right side of $1,499. So that is the purchase price of the TV.